Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a fall farmhouse splatter screen from Dollar Tree. So you'll need one of the splatter screens from Dollar Tree, some wooden beads, and these are in two different sizes, one big and one smaller. Ribbons of your choice. I picked a whole bunch of them, just some farmhouse style ribbons. Some white spray paint, some black spray paint, and a thankful sign from Dollar Tree's tin collection. So the first thing we're going to do is glue on our wooden beads. So I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to go one big, one small, one big, one small, all the way around the whole splatter screen. And I'm just attaching these with a generous amount of hot glue, but not enough that I get a lot of stringy glue left over. So once I have them all attached, I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to spray paint it with my white spray paint. And this is just Krylon white spray paint. It has like a paint and primer in one. I'm also going to take my thankful tin lettering outside and I'm going to spray paint that with some black matte spray paint. Now that I have that all done, I'm going to bring my splatter screen back inside once it's dry. And I'm going to start wrapping the handle with some twine. And I'm just going to wrap all the way up the handle, adding glue when needed. And I'm going to go right till I get to the point of the top where the hanger is for the splatter screen. And I'm going to stop wrapping, and then I'm going to pull some string through as a hanger. So I'm just going to pull a couple of pieces through, tie it off, and then tie it in a knot for a hanger. And then I'm going to continue wrapping my twine around. Now that I have my handle all done and all wrapped, and then I have my hanger now, I'm going to start making my bow. I'm just going to cut lengths of my ribbon to the length that I want my bow. I'm just going to cut all of the ribbon that I have, and then I'm going to stack them in an X and then tie them off. Once I have it all tied off and I am satisfied with the way that it looks, I'm going to hot glue it to the base of the handle of my splatter screen. And then I'm going to trim the bow to get it to look exactly how I like it. And I think it looks super cute just as it is. Now I'm going to add my thankful sign. Now on the back of this thankful sign that is from Dollar Tree, there's these little hooks. What I'm going to do is just run some wire through the screen and attach it by using those hooks. So I'm just going to run it through and through the little hooks on the metal wording and twist it And then I added a couple of dots of glue to make sure that the wire was held tightly. Once you have that last side wired in, that is it. This project is complete. I absolutely love how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed it too. I hope it inspires you to make one. I think it just turned out absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.